Hi guys, welcome back to Food Marathon. This is the easiest Rohu fish fry anybody can make. This is so easy. You just need 3 ingredients. All you need is salt, turmeric powder, mustard oil and obviously Rohu fish. First wash and clean the fish nicely and drain it. Add salt, turmeric powder and mix properly. Now heat mustard oil and fry the fish till done. By the way, even with 3 ingredients, it's actually delicious. Do give it a try and let me know. Sprinkle some chaat masala and lemon juice and eat with mustard sauce. It's yum.